Good morning, everyone. Today I will discuss with you the fetal skull. See, this is the fetal skull. Now, bones. So, see, this is the frontal bone. Two frontal bones at the back of the frontal bone. See, this is the parietal bone, and at the back of the parietal bone there is a occiput bone. See, this is the occiput bone, and by below the parietal bone, here you can see this is the temporal bone. Now, so overall there are two frontal bones, two parietal bones, two temporal bones, and one occiput bone. Now, sutures. Sutures generally are joints that are made up of strong fibrous tissues. See, this is the joints. These are the joints that are made up of strong fibrous tissues. In the frontal zone, here you see there is a frontal suture. Frontal suture, just at the back of the frontal suture there is a sagittal or longitudinal suture. Sagittal or longitudinal suture. Here this one, this one, and at the back here you will see the lambdoid suture. See, this is the occipital bone lambdoid suture, and this suture is present between the lambdoid suture and the lambdoid occiput bone and the parietal bone. And in the same way, coronal suture is present between the frontal bone and the parietal bone, and the sagittal suture is present between the two parietal bone. Now, fontanelles. Generally, fontanelles are the soft, wide gap where the sutures meet. So, generally there are 6 fontanelles, but only 2 fontanelles are of obstetrical significance. So, first is the anterior fontanelle. See, this is anterior fontanelle, and this is diamond in shape. And here sagittal suture, coronal suture, and the frontal suture meets here. In the same way, at the back there is a posterior fontanelle. Posterior fontanelle is formed by sagittal suture and the lambdoid suture. Now I will discuss with you the area. So area first is the brow area, or you can say sinciput area. Sinciput area generally bounded anteriorly by anterior fontanelle or brachma, by the side by the coronal suture, then supraorbital ridge, and then at the base of the root or glabella. So this one area is the sinciput area or the brow area. And the second one is the face area. This one is the face. So below the supraorbital ridge, at the base of the root of the nose, and at the base there is a base of the mouth to the neck. So this one area is the face area, and the third one is the vertex area. See, this is the vertex area, and this is covered anteriorly by anterior fontanelle or brachma, and by side there is a coronal suture, and then there is a parietal eminence. So a bony projection over the parietal bone. This one, bony projection. See, this one is the bony projection. So bony projection by both sides of the parietal bone. Then it is covered posteriorly by posterior fontanelle, and the lambdoid posterior frontally and the lambdoid suture. So this area, overall this area, this one, this is the vertex area, this one.